Understanding the phrases, Flamingo Bend. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and colorful expression, Flamingo Bend. We'll unravel its meaning and usage so you can confidently add this phrase to your English vocabulary. So, let's get started and have some fun with language. The phrase, Flamingo Bend, isn't a common idiom or expression you'll find in everyday English. It seems to be a combination of two words, flamingo, which is a type of bird known for standing on one leg, and bend, which is to curve something from a straight form. When we think about a flamingo bending, we might picture this elegant bird bending its leg or neck. However, as an idiomatic expression or a phrase with a non-literal meaning, it doesn't have a recognized usage in English. Since flamingo bend is not a standard English phrase, it's important to use it in a context that makes sense. For example, if you're writing a creative story and describe a character as doing a flamingo bend, your readers might understand that the character is striking a pose similar to that of a flamingo. It's always essential to ensure your audience understands the phrase based on the context you provide. If you're looking for established idioms or expressions that convey a similar meaning, consider using phrases like bending over backward, which means to do a great deal to help someone, or flexible as a reed, to describe someone who is very adaptable. That's all for Flamingo Bend. It's a quirky, non-standard phrase that you can use creatively in your language expression. We hope this video has been insightful and added a splash of color to your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to play with language. Until next time, happy learning!